Hi guys, my name's Andy from Field of Talk and welcome to my dashcam collection of idiot drivers in Nottingham. All the footage has been recorded on the Mio Dashcam 766 Wi-Fi. You'll find a link below in the description to find out more about the dashcam, which I consider to be one of the best dashcams on the market for audio and video quality. So do check out the links down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like rating and any comments and yeah, enjoy.
Wait, are you going to use an indicator? Right, okay, so you go into that lane. Wow. Wow. Hell. Well, it is a BMW. They don't have indicators.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People would love it.
Yeah.
Whoa, knobhead.
I hope I got that.
Knobhead. Some idiot just did an illegal manoeuvre in the middle of the road.
Thank you very much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, please do leave a like rating down below and any comments. And don't forget to go and check out the links in the description. And I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video.